As you see, guys, as you can see, not much happening that tonight. If I get at least 15 subscribers, I will make a video saying "gay guy" 3 times in the mirror with the lights on, and I'll see what happens. And with 15 subscribers, if I get 15 subscribers on the gay guy one with the mirror at 3 a.m., I'll make one from my friend up the road. She like saw this like fast beam in her video, and something also like lifted up her hair in a TikTok or Snapchat or something video. And yeah, and like you can still see a face or something. No. Oh, that's awesome! Oh, that's awesome.